Alright, today we're going to do a rose, so we'll see how it turns out.
So the question of the day is, how did, let's see, I should see it here. Oh, how did, so the question of the day is, how did Monet's Bridge end up in Ohio?
Alright, let's run through the colors.
Ours black, titanium white, raw umber, burnt umber, raw sienna, primary yellow, phthalo green, phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, quin red, pearly red dark.
Let's get the party started. Alright, so basically I missed the first part of the painting. That's terrible. I mean, the only option is to white it out and go back, but it's like, yeah, it's not worth it, whatever. But anyway, so what I've done is kind of put this dark red rose. It's kind of an unnaturally dark, it's almost a black rose with some red highlights. Just kind of put a shape down. I put this really nice kind of purpley pink background. They're going to add up, nice green leaves to contrast that pink and the dark red, so we'll see where it goes. If I remember to film.
So the bridge behind me, this Monet Bridge, is actually part of the Cox Arboretum. Now the Cox Arboretum was founded by Cox Farm, and Cox Farm, though, was slowly being kind of between Cincinnati and Dayton. They were kind of expanding, as you got suburban sprawl. People buying further and further houses farther away from the city centers because they could drive there, right? And so this farm got surrounded, and they had this kind of artificial Monet's bridge in it. And instead of selling it to another subdivision, what they did is they created an arboretum. So there's this, I think it's an 11-acre little farm that they converted to arboretum, and they grow plants. And if you look behind me, there's a whole bunch of buildings where they actually grow plants year-round, so they replant them in the summer, because obviously it's brutal winter out here with the rain and the snow and slush, so it's not really great conditions. But I thought it'd be interesting to see this little arboretum. Another fun fact is, this is one of the few arboretums you can't drive through. So a lot of American arboretums, you can actually, besides walking on the pass, they'll make a roadway so you can drive through the whole arboretum, which is kind of defeats the purpose of getting healthy, right? But that's my fun fact of the day. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, we just finished the painting, so let's take a closer look. So I have this kind of purple background, and then I slightly outline the flower at the end to kind of make more of the green leaves pop, as well as some of the leaves from the flower. Makes it kind of punchy to the eye. So I'm kind of painting light that's not really there, but I think it looks cool that way. No harm, no foul. I think it's okay for my first flower painting. It's not really my passion, but I thought, hey, Valentine's Day came up, I should have painted a flower, right? That way I get in trouble with my wife, I can always say, like, here's a nice flower. I'm just kidding. But who knows, maybe I'll use it. But hopefully you guys like it. Give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.